Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2016 Toyota RAV4 SE. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, roof rails, deep tinted glass, and much more. 18-inch sport alloy wheels, performance tires, auto-off projector beam LED daytime running headlamps, fog lights, and a strong 4-cylinder with only 48,694 miles. The power liftgate, LED brake lights, the rear wiper, a shark fin antenna, a very spacious cargo area with a cargo cover, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated soft text seating with driver memory, cruise, dual zone auto climate, a push button start, a valet function, outside temp, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia touchscreen with Bluetooth, Sirius XM, and voice activation, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.